India's entrepreneurship landscape is booming, with the government's targeted schemes making sure that everyone gets a seat at the table. One such powerful initiative is the Stand Up India scheme. Its mission? To promote entrepreneurship amongst scheduled castes, scheduled tribes and women by providing them with the necessary financial backing to establish greenfield enterprises in manufacturing, services or the trading sector and activities allied to agriculture. This scheme facilitates bank loans ranging from 10 lakh rupees to 1 crore rupees to SC, ST and women borrowers. Till date, over 62,000 crore rupees have been sanctioned in loans to more than 2.7 lakh applicants under this scheme, fueling entrepreneurship at the grassroots level. Interested applicants can apply for the scheme by visiting their nearest bank branch, applying online through the Stand Up India portal, that is standupmitra.in, or seeking assistance from the lead district manager. Apart from linking prospective borrowers to banks for loans, the Stand Up India portal is also providing guidance to prospective entrepreneurs in their endeavor to set up business enterprises, starting from training to filling up loan applications. Through a network of more than 8,000 hand-holding agencies, this portal facilitates step-by-step guidance for connecting prospective borrowers to various agencies such as skilling centers, mentorship support, entrepreneurship development program centers, district industry centers. The Stand Up India scheme has provided wings to aspiring entrepreneurs, enabling them to showcase their entrepreneurial acumen and achieve economic empowerment and self-reliance by ensuring access to hassle-free, affordable credit. The Stand Up India scheme is transforming job seekers into job creators and turning countless dreams into reality. Tell us in comments which other government schemes or initiative you want to know more about. We will be back soon with another video in MIB's Know Your Scheme series.